Okay. This is the morning after the snowstorm. I guess you can't really. Okay, we better this way. Alright, yeah, it's better this way. Okay, so this is the morning after the snowstorm. Last kind of all night we had a snowstorm. Couldn't really tape last night because of lack of light. But all the cars look like igloos. Look at that shit. My car is that one right over there. That should be my car. But yeah, look at that. No cars. Barely anything. And I think that's the snowplow guy. He's plowing snow. Yeah, he is. He is. That's a lot of snow he's plowing. Holy shit, that's a lot of snow. That's a big mountain. Okay. Well, he's trying to plow the roads. I'm supposed to go to work today. God only knows. God only knows how I'm supposed to get there. Roxy's car is way. I got it. Wait, no. Which one was it?
The one that you can barely see. It's right next to, right in front of a tree.
I think it's that one.
One right.
That is so cool. I can just zoom in all. Yeah, that should be your car. That is your car. Holy crap, that's your car.
Yep, that's my truck.
Oh my god.
I can't move it. I slid all the way down yesterday trying to park.
Yeah, that is your truck. I think it is.
Yes,
yeah.
It is my truck.
Oh my god. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Look, get a picture of that tree.
Yeah, look at, oh, look at the little tree. Oh my god, I can take a picture of this one. Yeah, you know what? I can take a picture of this one, be all artistic with it, and like put it as a wallpaper or something.
Yeah. No.
We just gotta get it in high quality. That is so cool. Look at that.
Oh, thank you. Ow. Corre, ven, corre. Come on,
So, yeah.
corre.
It's a winter wonderland. Look at that. Oh, that's. Oh, Jesus. So, yes, to recap. We're recapping here. Oh, by the way, we have no light. We have no electricity. Electricity was out like around 11 o'clock last night. Electricity went out. So I had nothing to do but to go to sleep. That was a bummer. So that sucked. Oh, look at that little brave little soul. Oh, look at the soul, look at the soul, oh, brave little soul, brave little soul. What, a broom? That thing has a broom. That thing's stupid. You have a broom. Again, so my car should be over there somewhere. Yep, there it is. That is so fucked up. My car is in snow. Okay. I swear to God, Best Buy. If Best Buy calls me saying, "Hey, we're open," the first motherfucker that walks in there wanting a computer or whatever, I swear to God, I'm gonna throw him out in the snow. I'm gonna throw him right out. I don't care if I get fired. I'm gonna just throw him out. Okay. So now. Go through. So we have no light. Yeah, everything's all dark. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, baby, no. We have a fireplace going. I got it started. Because since there's no power, there's no AC, and if there's no AC, there's no heater. So that's all. That's pretty much what it is. And we actually got to cook on this morning. We made some café. We made some café con leche. Put a pot right on top of the wood, and then bloop, there it is. If there's a need, there's a way, or whatever they call it. If there's a way, there's a
invention.
No, what do they call it? If there's a will, there's a way. That's what it was. Joe. Here's the balcony.
What's left of it?
Well, everything is covered in snow.
Mommy.
Do you understand how big that is? Like, I mean, I don't think you understand how big that is. That's how much snow came in, like from here up. Yeah, I could probably like put a book or something to show you how big it is. It's actually pretty big.
Perfect picture.
Ah, that's gorgeous.
See, cheese. That's pretty. That's okay.
Pretty.
Kiki, now I need you to do the same thing. Póngala ahí.
Burn the baby.
Sí, espérate. Cheese.
Kiki.
Ay, coño. Hey, Kiki, mira. Cheese, look at the birdie, look at the birdie.
Look at the birdie, oh my god. Can they see me? Can they see me? Can they see me? Can they see me? Aha!
That's awesome.
Okay. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Help me. We're stuck in here. Whoever finds this tape can help us. Please. Or, wait, if you find this tape, we are dead. This is the story. This is our story. Of how we survived like 50 days or 50 nights in snow. Dun, dun, dun. It's a movie. Look. It should be a movie.
You're so dramatic.
Now think about it.
Save the phone because I want to go take outside.
You want to go outside, huh?
Yeah, I want to take the kids outside.
Outside in the blizzard.
Yes.
Stupid Cupid.
This is nothing like hurricanes. Us Cubans got hurricanes the way people got snowstorms.
Okay, so anyway, we're done. We're done for now. I'm gonna say, hey, ooh, the fire just went all crazy on me. It went all popping, crackling and shit. I thought that shit was gonna attack me.
Why do you think it moved really bad?
Day 1, a turtle got burnt alive in a snowstorm.
These are the days of our lives.
Yeah, I don't have to go to work now. Okay, I got a car who's stuck in the road. No,
Oh my god, he's sliding everywhere.
Oh no! See now he makes it. Fucker. Hope he slides down the hill like an idiot.
Nope, since last night.
Can't see him again. Where is he? There he goes. There's the hill. That fucker made it. Damn it. Oh, Jesus. I have to go out there. Alright, now what I'm going to do... Damn, it's already 8. Okay, I'm going to see if I can eat some kind of breakfast. And then from there, I'm going to attempt to go to work. Or attempt to clean out my car. Or take the snow off, I mean. Alright, I should be back. Alright. Alright. The hell? Snapshot? Get the hell with the, get off with the snapshot. Okay. Alright, so hold on. Alright, so making the best of this. I have soda in the snow, getting it cooled. Okay. I'm cooling up the soda. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm cooking ravioli inside. Here, let me see if I can get it out. See, ravioli inside the fire. Boy, I'm Mr. Paul Bunyan right here. Well, this is how we do it right here in the country. Yeah, dog. Oh, Wild West and all that good stuff. I'm a pilgrim. Boy, I'll never go hungry. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay.